Hey, Raul Balufa here. Might have seen me on my podcast or on Instagram or on YouTube talking about some real estate investing, wholesale stuff. And a lot of times I talk to some new investors, some seasoned investors. People are kind of doing the mom and pop 2 to 4 deals. People are doing 10, 15, 20, 5, 0. And some of the topics of conversation that come up often that I really took to heart and I've helped people overcome. A big problem I've seen is I have leads in my Podio, but they want retail. And on top of that, I don't want to be an agent. I don't want to be a broker, or you don't want to be an agent. You don't want to be a broker. What do I do? Do I just hire an agent? Do I just sell them? What do I do with these leads? And I can understand this is annoying because you have these leads, like they're in your Podio or they're in your FreedomSoft or they're in whatever CRM you're using. They're in your dialer. And they're just not dollar signs, okay? Like you have people calling them. You're building the rapport with them, okay? You're doing the first contact, and then they're not turning into money. And you know that they want retail. They've told you, you've talked to them. You've had 3 of your sales guys talk to them and they want retail. They're not changing their mind, okay? And that's how it's going to be forever. And in a market like this, where it's smoking hot, all these people want retail and they deserve retail. Okay. So there's no arguing that. But there are solutions to this. Okay. Even if you don't want to be an agent, even if you don't want to be a broker, or you don't have a realtor cousin or a realtor dad or mom or grandma that's like an agent that can help you out, there are solutions. And the way that you can do this is you post an ad on Indeed to get a realtor. And I'm going to share with you how to hire a really good realtor by using this one tip right now. So let's say you guys have spotted a realtor that wants to work with you. They're like, oh, but how does it work? What are the leads like, etc. You could say, hey, look, this is what I'm going to do for the first week that you work with us. I'm going to set an appointment for you. And this works wonders. You already have your team building rapport with them. They're already on the phone with you, whether you're doing a 5, 7, 10-minute phone appointment, 30-minute phone appointment, or whether you go in person to an in-person appointment. The one simple sentence you could tell them is, hey, Mr. Seller, if I'm able to get you the price you want, the $300,000 and $350,000 on the market, would you consider selling? Well, Raul, I'd consider it, but, I have this realtor cousin, I have a friend, a sister, a brother, or I'd consider it, but I don't even know how that works, or I'd consider it, but what do you guys do with the commissions? There's plenty of objectives, but you say, okay, great. This is what I could do. I'm going to have my realtor friend, Giselle, come out tomorrow and set up, and she's going to come tomorrow at 3:30, and she's going to review with you what it's like to get top dollar in your house, right? Your house is nice. You deserve the price you're looking for. Will you be available tomorrow at 3:30, yes or no? No, you don't have to say yes or no, but how about 1:30, 3:30, 5:30? Will you be available? If yes, then you send the message to Giselle or your realtor and say, hey, and I say Giselle because Giselle actually works with us. And she got one listing so far like that. Okay. And she just started with us 3 weeks ago. She got one listing. I referred her the appointment through a phone call and she got the listing. Okay. So it's very doable. It attracts great realtors because realtors love the fact that you're giving them leads and giving them appointment for 50% commission. Come on. So anyways, I hope that helps you. Go out there, crush it, find a realtor, do what you got to do. You can find more info on me if you want to learn more, raulbalufa.com. Tons of free stuff. My podcast, Flipping Miami. And I hope to see you soon.